Hello boys and girls, welcome to this week's theme discussion. This week, boys and girls, we continue our talk about winter. If you remember, we discussed about winter and all the changes that are happening right now, especially what we can see and what we go through this season. Remember, teacher told you how we can stay warm and dry during this wet and cold weather. We also spoke about the vegetables and lovely fruit that we will get during the season. And these fruit and veg give us energy during this time, keep us healthy, our bodies and our minds. Also spoke a little about what animals does during the season. Now, let's talk about what animals are up to during the rainy days of winter. So now we're going to start with the previous season, that was autumn, which is one of the 4 seasons of the year. During autumn, some animals were very busy getting ready for this time of the year. Some gathered lots of food during autumn, while others ate a lot more than usual. Those animals that was eating such a lot gained weight, extra weight, so they were fat and round. Now these animals that were picking up weight use that fat during hibernation. If you can remember, teacher mentioned this word hibernation. Now what is hibernation? Hibernation is when some animals go into a very deep sleep. And this happened for the whole of winter, which is 3 months. These animals do not wake up during this period. They don't eat or drink when they are in this deep sleep. Remember, teacher told you about the fat that was on their bodies? This is the time when they use up this fat on their bodies. This fat is being used during their deep sleep. Animals that goes into this deep sleep, these animals cannot handle this cold, wet weather. During winter time, other animals stay inside their homes that also needs to eat. They have the food that was gathered during the time of autumn. Like for example, the squirrel. The squirrel will only leave its home when it wants to drink some water. This also don't happen very often. Other animals, like the bears, they do not leave their caves because they gain weight and eat much more during autumn. Then when winter approaches, they fall asleep, which is called hibernation. So they don't have to go out to look for food or water during this time because all that fat is being used while they are sleeping, keeping them safe and warm during this time in their cave so they don't come out during the winter. All these animals like the squirrels, the bears, the hedgehogs, the dormice, bumblebee, snails, ladybugs, bats and turtles, those that hibernate and those that does not hibernate, have a different way of preparing for winter and also has a different way of doing things during this time of winter. If you have a pet at home, you will see the changes that your pet has also been going through. Like for example, I have 2 cats, Peanut and Dusty, and both of them loves to sleep near the heater, the electric heater in my house, because it's nice and cozy there, and they sleep whole day. So remember, boys and girls, everyone is going through some kind of change during this season of winter. Remember to stay warm and dry, and please stay inside. Don't forget to wash your hands regularly. And also, boys and girls, look at your pet. See all the changes that is happening. And you will see the changes in their behavior. This is all for now, boys and girls. Until next time, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bye.